I just revamped my ebook, 7 Ways to Create Passive Income. It's already on my website for anybody who's serious about creating passive income. I'm talking about making money, doing the work one time, making the money over and over again. I'm not talking about trading time for dollars and clocking in and working. No. I'm talking about creating passive income, like a gym membership. A person signs up for a gym membership one time and they pay every month afterwards. If you want to learn different ways to create passive income, you have to work, but there are smarter ways to work in this day and age. So I just updated my ebook, 7 Ways to Create Passive Income, and it's on my website, Raevonshae.com right now. This is for people who want to have passive income. I'm talking about making money while you sleep. I'm not talking about waking up and having to do this every single day. Oh, no. We talking about making money while you sleep. So you have to position yourself the right way, connect yourself with the right types of companies, and brand yourself accordingly. And you can actually make money. You don't have to trade time for dollars. You can actually make money while you're on the beach, while you're doing something else. So check out my website, Raevonshae.com, download the free ebook, and then you can get different ways that you can make money with passive income. You can get different types of ideas so you can start building something. Everybody in this day and age needs multiple streams of income. One stream of income is not enough, and 2 jobs are for 2 people. So you want to have multiple streams of income, so where you work one time, and when you work, it does this, and this from your one action. You can create, a person can go and work 3 or 4 different jobs, or a person can position themselves to where they work one time and it connects this, and that, and the other. And that's smart work instead of hard work. So that's what I'm doing. I just updated my ebook because time changes every single day. Every time you turn around, time is changing. Things are changing. The internet is changing. Everything is evolving. So you have to stay updated with the times. You don't want to be like Blockbuster to Netflix and get left behind. So you want to make sure that you're staying up with the times. So that's why I have to go in and update my ebooks, because I don't want to leave my people behind on stuff that worked last year, but may not be working as good this year. So we need to be able to stay updated with the times, keep our people connected with what's happening now, what's working now. I don't tell you what was working 3 years ago. I'm telling you what's working today. So what we're doing today is we're working on this today. So check out the ebook if that's what you want to do. 7 Ways to Create Passive Incomes. It just gives you an idea on different ways that you can create different streams of income. Think about things in a different way. That way we can start moving forward. It's almost 2022. It's almost 2022. And so I just wanted to say that we want to start working smart. You know, the things are changing. The world is changing. Everything is going toward online. So it's best to start learning the online world. Now, everything is going toward online. A lot of people are not going back to jobs. A lot of people are not going to be able to go back to jobs. Some people will, but everybody won't. So position yourself online, because that's where the world is headed. And so we want to get ahead of the game and don't always be so far behind where we watching. And then by the time you jump on board, everything is already gone. No, you want to jump on board while it's moving. So that's what I want to do. I want to update my ebook. I've already placed it on my website. You're free to go to my website, Raevonshae.com, and download your free copy, get you some ideas. And then if you want to join me and work with me, then you'll have the opportunity to do that as well. So have a great one, everyone, and check you later. Bye.